Hey there, Pat Drawe. Pat Drawe. Yeah, that's my name. Anyways, so here's the deal. Wanted to talk to you a little bit today about jumbo loans, or more specifically, a loan product that is better and a lot more open than your typical jumbo product. Again, Pat Drawe, Caliber Home Loans here. So the reason why I'm bringing this up and what I really want to talk to you today about is the fact that Caliber's got a product called the Elite Acces, right? And it's a mortgage loan that's really designed not specifically for Denver metropolitan area. However, it happens to fit a lot of situations for buyers in the Denver metropolitan area because our home prices are higher. So what happens, if you're familiar at all, conventional loan limits, conventional is, allows people to get into houses with little down payment, 5% down. The guidelines are pretty normal, not super restrictive. Once you go above those conventional loan limits, which in the Denver metropolitan area is $561,200, once you go above that, now you're into what's called the world of jumbo, right? And the jumbo underwriting guidelines are a little more restrictive and makes it a little harder for your average family who might want to buy a $600,000 or $700,000 or $800,000 house or more. Makes it harder for them to buy a home because there requires more money down and less debts and more assets and a bunch of different things, right? Whereas the Caliber Elite Acces home loan is designed to really mirror some key features of the conventional loan, but go higher and take over some of the jumbo level loan limits. So with that said, the product itself allows as little as 5% down, okay, up to $2 million. You can go up to $3 million, but you got to put down 10%. It does allow credit scores as low as 700, which is a lot better than a lot of your jumbo type products, which require 720, 740, even 760 or higher to get into. So 5% down is the minimum. The lowest credit score is 700. Also, on any of them, no mortgage insurance. So even though you're not putting down that 20% figure on the product itself, you're allowed, or you don't have to pay mortgage insurance, which is really good, which allows you a much more affordable payment without mortgage insurance, okay? So the other thing is, too, allows up to 4 units, which is really cool, especially with some of the quads, triplexes, duplexes in the Denver metropolitan area that you might be able to buy, live in 1 unit, rent out the other 3 or 4, or whatever you have, and boom, you got an investment property that you live in and make some money off all at the same time. And it also allows for non-warrantable condos, which we do have around the metropolitan area as well. So let me describe real quick why this product is so good for this area. And it's because of the fact that a lot of people in this area, with, like I said, with the higher home prices, a lot of people in this area might be able to afford that payment for, call it a $650,000 or $700,000 mortgage, right? They might be able to afford that payment, but they might not have or might not want to put down that type of money, right? So 5% down on a $600,000 loan, 30 grand, right? 20% down, 120,000. So it's a big difference, right? And there's plenty of $600,000 houses that are appealing to your average couple in the Denver metropolitan area. So that home and that loan is somewhat desirable for a large amount of people, but maybe not attainable because they don't have the money down. Or like I said, maybe they have it, but they would exhaust all their funds to do so, and they don't want to do that. So the Caliber Elite Acces product is really designed for that, right? To get more people into those types of homes without all the restrictive underwriting guidelines that your typical jumbo loan has. So if you're a buyer or you have a buyer and you think this might fit them, let's sit down and talk. Let's work through the numbers, see how it fits for them, and see if it fits their budget and what they want to do. Let's do all we can to get them in the house. So have a great day. Reach out to me if you have any questions. We'll make this happen for you.